You're mad.
Yeah.
Spaceman Spiff! Can you hear me, Spaceman Spiff? Oh, hi, Jared.
I'm mad.
You're mad.
Yeah.
Why are you mad? Why are you mad?
Cheese.
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 Why are you mad? You don't look mad. Spaceman Spiff! Can you hear me, Spaceman Spiff? Oh, hi, Jared. Where's Spaceman Spiff?
Rescue one.
To the rescue, Spaceman Spiff!
Fight.
Okay, fly, Spaceman Spiff.
Rescue one on fire.
Rescue! Go rescue Mommy! Oh no! He will judge! Whoa! Man down. Uh-oh. You okay?
No, mine's falls out.
Where?
It's here.
Where?
What's here?
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Because everyone knows that parent kisses heal all wounds. What? Did you hurt your foot too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Catch me, Daddy. Catch me, Daddy. Catch me.
Is Mommy home base? I don't think Mommy's home base. Letty's home base.
Okay, come here. Oh!
Daddy,
Nuts.
Daddy, catch me. Daddy.
I caught you. Oh, I caught you. Oh no, go down. Oh no. Oh no, Jared's got me too.
That's Dad.
Hey Jared, who are you talking to on the phone?
Hi.
Hey. I know you want the phone, but we need to share. Let's go find you another toy to play with. Come on. Yeah, let's go find you another toy to play with. I could use a narrator. Do you want to be the rabbit? You want to be my narrator? Or do you want to trade? Give me the phone. Okay. Be my narrator. You want the phone or be the narrator? Okay, Jared, I need a narrator. Put the bunny on.
Hi.
Hi, bunny.
Hi, buddy. Please I listen to you. Yeah. Carrots.
Hi, bunny. What's up?
Carrots.
You want carrots?
Hi. I was glad to see you, but
Come back. Come back.
Whoa.
Can Bunny count?
3, 4.
4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Were you on the phone? Who are you talking to on the phone?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daniel.
Please name. Wait. Please.
Where's that car going?
Right there.
Oh, that car's going to lands unknown. You just performed a surgery on YouTube. That is not kosher. Hello, dinosaur. Dinosaurs on the move. Apparently, dinosaurs like to eat blankets. Who knew?
Hey.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Hey, Daddy. Hi.
Hi.
Dinosaur.
You are a dinosaur. What's your name, dinosaur?
I did eat food.
You want to eat fruit?
Yes.
I don't know where your food is. Where's your food?
And here, my
So you already ate your
tummy.
food.
Yes.
Well, let's not eject that on camera. That's just nasty. Oh, let's not see. This is why you don't show your food to people after you've eaten it. Can you sing?
E, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, K, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Come, Daddy, come with me.
Wait, please.
Daddy, come with you. W, X, Y, H, E. Me, yeah.
Good job, Jared. Okay, Daniel.
Come. Daddy, come with you. See?
Okay, can you run around in circles?
No.
Going round in circles, round in circles. That is rude. You don't stick people in people's faces. You don't stick people. Let's stick people in people's faces. Where's a people? Okay. For example, this is a people. Ready? We're gonna stick people in people's faces. Ah! People in people's faces.
I used to carry you around.
Now, was that civilized? No.
And I gave it lipstick. That sheep right there.
We're not going to discuss sheep gender today.
It was actually nail polish.
Daddy, come with you, me.
It's right there. It's nail polish.
Come with me. It's trash on the floor. It's a receipt.
It's a receipt. What are you going to buy?
Fruits.
Fruits?
Okay, yes.
Okay. We don't have any fruits, though. We'll have to mug the dinosaur for his fruit.
These fruits. See fruits.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, let's pretend that's a donut. So let's put that in the shopping cart. And this can be a blue squash. And we'll put that in the shopping cart. And this can be one of Mommy's nasty bananas. We'll put that in the shopping cart. Okay, let's go show Mommy what we bought. Oh no, he's got a vacuum. Stop him. Ah, stop him, he's got a vacuum cleaner. He's gonna clean the house. What will Mommy do then? Hi. Oh no, he's got a vacuum. Apparently he's not afraid to use it.
Nope.
Fruits for you.
You got lots of fruits for me.
Daniel bought dinner. Well, he shopped for dinner. Look.
Oh, wow.
And with that, we will make lasagna. Ready? And poof! It's a lasagna! Because that's how daddies cook. You want to do something super awesome? Guess who's coming tonight?
What?
Grandpa Bob and Grandma Diane are coming to see you tonight.
Yeah, Grandma Diane and Grandpa
Jared,
Bob.
Grandma, great grandma, and great grandpa are coming to see you.
We're coming to do Christmas.
Can I get a yay Christmas? Who's that? You think?
Yeah.
It's Grandma and Grandpa!
Cute.
I vacuum.
Vacuum.
Give hugs quick! Hi guys!
Yeah, Grandma's got big presents.
Hi!
What else can be expected?
Hey guys, thanks for coming and playing with us today here at Reby and Me and Me and Me. That's Reby. And that's right, and me, because, you know, there's another one in the oven. As you can see, we're just getting ready the final touches on the really big Christmas presents, and the boys are already in bed. So, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!